Nonetheless, the reason I started this way is look at man, how man adjusts every time when he needs things. He makes sure he works towards it. You want a house, you can't just get it. You need to work, earn, save up, and continue saving up, and then make a plan and buy a house, and perhaps a better house at some point, and so on. The same applies if you like clothes or phones or anything you want, man. You work towards it. I said moments ago, look at the air-conditioned unit in this masjid, and look at the vehicles and the cars we have, and look at where we are today compared to where we were the last time. We've progressed. For how long? How long is that going to help you for? You got a new house, 20 years. After that, you have to go back to Allah. You got a new job, you can enjoy it for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. After that, what? You got something, maybe 40 years. Let's give it to you 50 years. After that, what? What about the eternity that is to come thereafter? What preparation have you made for that? Yeah.